Mansi, congratulations on your new house. That's amazing.
Thank you, Ravina. It feels like a dream come true.
Wow, buying a house is a big deal. How did you manage it?
Well, I started investing in small cap funds a few years ago.
Small cap funds? I've heard of them, but I don't know much.
Small cap funds are mutual funds that invest in smaller companies, typically ranked 251st and beyond in terms of market capitalization. These companies have growth potential, which could lead to risk-adjusted returns.
That sounds interesting. Maybe I should look into it.
Definitely. Just make sure to do your research before investing.
On top of investment की हर जानकारी, progressive and focused है ये extraordinary. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.